Well, millions of dollars were raised for the family of Daunte Wright after he was shot and killed by a Brooklyn Center police officer. Now, more than a year later, the mother of Daunte Wright's only son is suing, saying Daunte Jr. hasn't received any of the money raised. Our top story at 10, the fight over money for Daunte Jr.
Our Courtney Godfrey joins us live now. Courtney, China Whitaker says her son hasn't received any of the money raised from the GoFundMe.
Yeah, that's right, Amy. In evidence filed in court today, the original GoFundMe page said part of the money raised would provide support to Daunte's infant son. Lawyers claiming at some point that language was omitted from the site, and a year and a half later, his son has yet to receive any money.
Days after Daunte Wright was killed by a Brooklyn Center police officer, in a video that's been seen around the world, images of him and his young son went viral, his family remembering him as a dedicated father.
Junior was the joy of his life, and he lived for him every single day.
But now allegations that Wright's parents and the Ben Crump law firm have been keeping money from now 3-year-old Daunte Jr.
Crump needs to be asked that question. Where's the child's money?
In a lawsuit filed today, lawyers representing the child's mother, China Whitaker, say Ben Crump promised her that she would receive at least 50% of GoFundMe proceeds. And with more than $1 million raised to date, her son has received nothing.
When you make a promise of 50% of the proceeds, you engage the public to rely on that promise and give you money, and for that money not to go to what it was originally the purpose, or at least one particular purpose, the young kid, that's disturbing on many levels.
And while the site says it's managed by an attorney at the Ben Crump law firm, a spokesperson for Crump responding to the lawsuit, calling this a family dispute. Ben Crump Law never handled or controlled the money from this GoFundMe account, which was under the sole direction of Daunte's parents. Ben Crump Law did not benefit from any of the funds raised, and we did not accept any fee in this case.
It's sad that we have to ask his grandparents to give him his money. You would think his grandparents as well would just be like, you know, my grandchild needs his money. But that's not the case.
We reached out to attorneys representing Katie and Arbery Wright and did not hear back. China Whitaker's attorneys say they didn't want to go this route, but that multiple attempts to resolve this amicably were unsuccessful. Kelsey?
All right, thank you, Courtney. New at 10.